as a
Whistle, okay, whistle, yeah, whistle.
You just have to hold it like this,
Uh-huh.
properly place it
Yeah.
between your fingers.
I just got amazed.
Like that, you can.
You see how how beautifully he played that in the, as a whistle. He was whistling with just a dead snail shell. It is. Are you enjoying, guys?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So you see right now, I'm just beside this one of the favorite place of Mumbai. This is called Bandra Bandstand. It is a seashore, and right now I see couple of children who are enjoying with their father, and his dad is has a unique way of choosing couple of dead snail shell, and he is using it as a music instrument. So I'll show it to you right now. You will see that. Hello, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai itself.
Okay, that's nice. So how often do you come here to this place?
I mean,
Every weekend?
once in 2 months, 3 months, like that.
Okay,
So I'm
good.
professionally a doctor, so I don't get that much time.
Oh, love to
Yeah.
hear that. And thank you so much for your time. Actually, I saw you people were searching for something. Are you seeing some snails shell something?
Yeah,
And you are using it?
Yeah, so these shells are very unique.
Okay.
Shells which is empty and without any broken part.
Okay.
You can use that shell.
Okay, okay. So can you play like a musical instruments in front of me?
I mean, it's like you can use it as a whistle.
Whistle, okay,
Yeah.
whistle, yeah.
So you just have to hold it like this,
Uh-huh.
properly place it
Yeah.
between your fingers.
I just got amazed.
Like that, you can.
You see how how beautifully he played that in the, as a whistle. He was whistling with just a dead snail shell. It is, and you can see all over here, and they are also their children. Are you enjoying, guys?
Yes.
Oh, great. What's your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
Yusra.
Ishda. Oh, nice. And what's your name?
Zunaira.
Oh, nice, nice, beautiful name. And thank you so much for your time.
Take care. Yeah, thank you. Take care.
So this is a place where most of the people of Mumbai they spend their time during weekend, and especially on Saturday and Sunday. So I thought of taking a small interview with these people, and I loved the while talking to them, and it is something amazing I had not seen. I mean, I had heard about that someone can whistle by using a dead snail or dead snail shell, and that I saw right now, and I also show it to you guys, and you can also write in the comment box. आप भी अपना comment लिखो, बताओ कि आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो, मजा आया कि नहीं. You saw that small act by that small family with the children and the dad, and he tried to play that. He tried to actually whistle from the dead snail shell, and that's what I showed to you. So now it is evening 7 o'clock, and we have to go back to home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to this channel, do not forget to again subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive notification of my new video when I post in the channel. I'll be bringing this kind of videos in the future as well, which you can enjoy, and you can learn also English through those words which you will see or hear in that particular blog. So with that note, I will end this video. Thank you for your support, guys. Bye bye.